hot to burn. Yeah, hot to burn. Guys, I won 2,200 already withdrawn it in hot to burn while I was playing. Then I was left with 90 rand. Then I played again. Then that's when I won this other money now. So that's why I said, now let me show you guys what's happening here in hot to burn. And I'm playing it around 11. So this game now I'm playing it around 11, but I'm going to withdraw my 700 guys and run away. I already withdrew 2,200. So it means that I already made the profit of 2,100. So far, let's see what it will give us. 7 seconds. It seems like it's very hot, guys. So I'm playing it tonight, that's why I'm not talking too much. And when I win 2,200, 2,100 and something, is because I was playing with a foreign bet. Now I'm playing with 2 rand because I'm about to withdraw again. Okay guys, I'm going to stop playing now because I want to withdraw the 700 plus so that I can go home with 2,900 today. So today I'm going to go with 2,900 rand, which I won in Betway. So in Hollywood guys, I've been losing today. I shouldn't have went back to Hollywood because at Hollywood today I won 300, and today I think, yeah, in Betway I won plus 500 during the day. So try this kind of game guys, it can give you something. But I was playing it during at night. You can also try it at night.